So I want to propose a turntable, a specific studio where we can get the cars in and out in 10 minutes.
Gary's convinced me we need a permanent studio with a turntable.
And frankly, I think it's going to save a ton of money. I've already done a little bit of homework on the turntables, but I want to go and make sure we buy the right one before I put cement over top of this thing.
Gary did the research, and I'm really happy with the company that he came up with. One, they had it in stock, they were up almost immediately, and it was installed in a day.
Installation of the turntable takes just one day. You provide the pit, we come in, we install the components. We can put them in any location. It can be an existing garage, it can be a new garage. It's always easier with a new garage because you build a new foundation and it basically gets blended into the cost. But an existing installation would include cutting into the floor, digging down, and placing a pad at the correct level.
Watching this crew install the turntable, I realized these guys have done this a lot.
The turntables are all rated for 10,000 operating weight. You can drive over a much heavier vehicle, for example, a fire truck, if you need to, but they're really for operating purposes 10,000 pounds. The turntable services everything from stainless steel, aluminum. You can place concrete onto the turntables. They're almost unlimited.
Gary sounded excited about the turntable, so I marched right out there. Got her working?
Well, I just put it on. I'm going to test it right now.
What do you do?
No, you got it.
Clockwise?
Yeah, either way.
Clockwise?
Just twist it.
Very nice.
Yeah, it'll be slick. So picture now, like we'll do a gray backdrop, the light box. The guy with the camera, he'll have a remote, so he doesn't have to
come here.
Yeah, so he'll just stand there, shoot it, turn it, shoot it. It'll be like 10 minutes to do a car now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Even though the lighting isn't up and the background isn't finished, he wants to show me how efficient this is going to make our photography. After about 30 seconds of playing with it, now I see the big picture.
It's good. He seems impressed. I mean, between the remote, the lighting, how quickly the cars rotate on this, I don't think it'll be long before he realizes how much time this is going to save us.
I think Gary's right. By having a weather-independent studio that's fully functional, it's going to save us a ton of time. It's going to get the product out to the customer a lot quicker, and hopefully we can sell more cars. If nothing else, he's made me understand that if we can get a car to market the same day it comes in, it's a good thing.